Good morning, everybody. Today's another lovely day here in South Louisiana. It's probably 60 degrees out, and I'm not saying that to brag, but just wanted to let you know that it's beautiful here. This is my first video that I've actually shot in the new year, so I wanted to try and cover some of the stuff we covered this year, some of the stuff I hope to do next year, and just talk to you about where this project's going. So stick around. Say that this year was eventful is a nice way to put it. There's been a pandemic. I changed jobs. I started this project, bit off a lot. I thought I knew some of what I was going to be getting into, but I did not know how much. And then my wife got it, but got better. I know a lot of people that have got it and gotten better, and I also know people that have friends and family that have passed away from it. So it's been a rough year for everybody. So hopefully what I've shown you has helped you or made things a little bit better. I do all this as an entertainment for myself. Like I said, I have a full-time job and I usually work 50 plus hours a week. So the only time I really have time to do this is on weekends. And because I enjoy it, you see how much work I've gotten done on it. But moving forward, the goal of this particular car is to be done by October. So I have about 9 months, give or take, to get it done because I want to take it to Cruising the Coast 2021, and hopefully that'll happen. Now, I have an 8-inch rear end over at the other shop. I'm still debating on what motor and transmission combo I'm going to use. It would be easy just to put a small block in it. It would be even easier to just run the 6-cylinder, but I've sort of been toying with the idea of putting a Duratec 2.5 in it, so it'd be naturally aspirated, and put a manual transmission behind it. Now, you might say, ooh, that's ridiculous, but the 2.5 Duratec has about double the horsepower of the 6-cylinder. It's got a lot of other good features with it. They're plentiful, they're inexpensive. The other good thing is that an EcoBoost 2.3 or 2.0 can be made it right up to that transmission because they all have the same bell housing pattern. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet, but I think I just don't know. I've got multiple small blocks that I could rebuild. I have the big block, which I don't want to do, and it wouldn't fit in the shock towers, and I'm not taking the shock towers out. And then you can literally get a used Ranger with the 2.3 Duratec, have all the controls and everything in it for $1,000 or less. And that way I'd have the 5-speed and all the controls, the computer controls that I could just use OEM stock. So that's one way to go. This car weighs about, when done, it's gonna weigh about 2,400 pounds. The other way to go is a Mazda Miata, which the Mazda Miata 2.3 or the 2.0 is the same as a Ford. They're developed together. So I could get a Miata, use the entire running gear except for the rear end, and put the 2.5 in there. And you can buy a 2.5 from LKQ for between $500 and $900. The Mazda transmission, same price range. So for $1,000 you can get a low mileage motor and transmission to put in it. So that's what I'm working on. So anyways, we have this going. I got some other stuff coming. One of my buddies keeps commenting on my Instagram that I need to put a mini tub in, and since I'm here, I might do it. So that might come into play. I've been looking at Mustang's to Fear mini tubs. So that's what this car's got going on. This year, you saw that to get this car in here, I had to move the Torino over to the other shop. I feel guilty about not working on it, but this really does take a ton of time, and I just don't have enough time to even commit to this right now. So I'm gonna get this done, and then we'll do some more stuff on the Torino. The other thing is I still have the 71 station wagon with the 429, and the 429/460 build started to hit the skids once I got this. So that hopefully will occur sometime this year as well. But you know, it's got a lot of stuff to do. So and I got to fit it in between work and everything else. So anyways, that's what I got going on. That's what I plan to do. If you got any comments or suggestions on motor combo, I mean, everybody puts a small block in. I was thinking about rebuilding the 6-cylinder, but nobody makes an aluminum head for the 200 6-cylinder. And the way that the intake's cast in, you just can't do anything with it. I'm talking about the Miata motor, or the 2.3 or the 2.5 out of a Fusion. A 2.5 is 175 horsepower, I think, and it's pretty peppy. And the Fusion weighs about 1,000 pounds more than this will weigh. So, I mean, I think that would be a good combo. But, you know, it'll take a little bit more work, but not very many people do it. So that might be a good enough reason to do it. So that's what we got going on. I appreciate everybody. I hope we all have a better year this year. And, you know, hopefully whatever you plan to do, you can do. And, you know, hopefully we'll all do great and be happy. And that's all I want, you know, be happy, enjoy what I'm doing. And hopefully you can tell that that's what I do when I make these videos. They might not be the best videography. They might not be scripted, because it's definitely not scripted. And you might just say, this guy's boring as hell. But hopefully through all that, you can tell I enjoy making these. So stick around, there's more to come, and I appreciate everybody. So thanks again. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, please share, please like the video, please put comments in the comments about what you think I should do or shouldn't do. And hopefully we all have a great 2021. Thank you, and have a good day.